Hello guys, today I would like to share with you a couple of tips regarding to flows. So first of tips is related to could we run flows from the Apex code. So the answer is yes, and here you could see an example how it could be done. So let's imagine we have some flow, and as a part of this flow we have some input parameters. So they are actually specified in the flow as available for input parameters. So that means that you could prepare parameters map, specify keys and specify values, and based on these keys and values what you could do is you could pass this entire map and run the flow from the Apex code. So it's pretty clear use case, and I think that it should be understandable. So next point that I would like to share is related to possibility to run triggers based on the different context. So first of all, when we configure the trigger in the flow, so that means we could configure here, it could work when the record is created or updated or deleted, and here we could have possibility to set up should it work in before the record is saved to the database or in the context when it's after the record is saved to the database. But let's imagine you already have a very big flow and it's very complex, and you already have in the flow selected when record is created or updated, so it will take much more time for you to, let's say, bring a little piece of new logic into this flow, a lot of time of investigation and research to understand what should run in the create or updates or wherever. So in any use case, when you have selected this already created or updated, and later on the stages you would like to have a control that you could use in the conditions, like for example you have decision and you would like to understand is it new record or is it just an update record context. So how it could be done? In Salesforce what we have is we have possibility to use isNew formula, and we could create a new variable, and this new variable could be with output data type equal to boolean, and this formula is not let's say has no parameters inside of it, so that means that you could just implement it. So, and after that what you could do, it's in your decision you could put a link to the resource, make operator equal, and you could put here a boolean value. And just a quick note that this feature is available in summer 21 release, so, and the Flow API version 52. So that means that starting from this version, if somewhere in your flow you need to have a decision how, for example, what is the current context of the trigger, you could do it via that formula and understand what is the context. So at this moment that's all, and thank you for the attention.